Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming basic electrical health. Make sure the battery reads about 12, 4V or higher so readings are reliable. Next, plug an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner into the port beneath the dash and pull stored codes, write them down. You want freeze frame data too, because it shows conditions when the fault occurred. Once done, resist clearing codes until you have a repair plan. Clearing first loses diagnostic clues. This gives a targeted path forward, instead of replacing parts blindly. Now you dig into the code meaning and why it tripped. Translate the code to the affected system and list likely components. Consult service bulletins and common failure patterns. Then run focus tests, smoke or spray tests for vacuum leaks, fuel pressure gauge for fuel delivery, and multimeter checks for sensor voltages and grounds. Watch live data, RPM response, long and short trims, O2 and MAF readings, because trends reveal intermittent faults. Make sure to compare values against known good ranges to narrow the cause. Complete the repair by replacing or fixing only the components you confirmed. Use OEM or equivalent spec parts and secure all connectors. Reconnect everything, clear the codes, and perform the required drive cycle so the PCM can run self-tests. This verifies the fix under real conditions. If the check engine light returns, don't panic. Rescan and compare live data to earlier captures, then inspect wiring, connectors, and grounds before swapping more parts. A systematic recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.